Welcome back to the Space & K YouTube channel, and I am here to share with you 4 tips for retinol beginners. Let's get started. Right, first up, double cleanse, double cleanse, double cleanse, double cleanse. I'm always going to say it because it is the most important thing of your beauty routine, even more so if you're using an active, because if you put an active onto skin that isn't super clean, you're going to be at risk of breakouts, you're going to be at risk of irritation. So my personal favorite at the moment is Tatcha. Tatcha, cleanse, they go together. The cleansing oil is really nice, and I like following it up with a second cleanse. I really like their rice wash because it really gives my skin that plump, clean canvas feel, which is what you want when you're putting something quite active on your skin, so you can really feel like it can get into the pores. So that's tip number 1, double cleanse, start with a clean canvas. And my second tip, if you're starting retinol, or retinoids, we should say, for the first time, is start slow, go with the flow. I think that with all this stuff online, there really is this rush for results when it comes to skincare. You want perfect glass skin the moment you wake up the next day, but good skin, it takes a while, guys. We often say it takes about 2 to 3 months to really feel a really good difference in your skin. So start slow, go with the flow, do alternative days at first, and really gauge how your skin is reacting. If it feels a bit tight, if it feels a bit sore, don't use it the next day. Give it a break and just go with a barrier cream or a moisturizer and really focus on your hydration. There's some really incredible kind of formulations out on the market. I've got Skin Rocks here, I've got Paula's Choice. These are both something called retinaldehyde, and this is your latest generation retinol. So this gets really into the skin very quickly. Go steady with these ones, even if it is retinol 1, sensitive skin especially, take it slow. And I also really like the Naturium as well, which is also another retinaldehyde, which we released last year, which is just a really good price point if you want to get some really top-end technology into your skincare. So yeah, start slow, go with the flow. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3, you've probably heard this in the land of TikTok, but this is the land of YouTube, but we're still talking about it here, and that is slugging. It's a bit of a K-beauty trend actually, and it's something that I swear by. I will always do it. I sometimes even do it if I'm using acids, as my skin is quite delicate and it can get quite sore. But slugging is basically when you clean your skin, you double cleanse, and before you put your retinol on, you put on something like a barrier between your skin and the active. As my skin is really on the sensitive side, I like to use quite a rich moisturizer. Some people just like to use a hydrating serum, or maybe like a milky toner, like the Bioma Milky Toner is really nice for this as well if your skin is more on the normal to combo. But the Omega cream, pop that on and make sure you get a nice protective barrier around your skin. It just kind of buffers the effects of the retinol, because retinol actually requires quite a lot of oil and water in the skin to really work its magic. So if you're a little bit low in reserves, then it can make your skin a bit sore, a bit patchy, a bit tight. So slugging is a really good way to get around that, so that you can get the actives without compromising your skin barrier. So tip number 3 is slugging. So my 4th and final tip, and it's actually, I think it's the secret sauce to having really good skin, guys, and that is using vitamin C alongside your vitamin A. So use your vitamin C in the evening. Oh, don't forget your SPF as well. We've got another video for that. But vitamin C in the morning, when you've been using vitamin A, it's like the yin to its yang. It is just a glorious combination, because what the vitamin C does is protect all of that gorgeous regeneration your skin has done overnight. And the more that you cocoon your skin with your vitamin C and your SPF, these new gorgeous skin cells, your skin is just gonna look so plump, so refined, so gorgeous. So vitamin C in the morning, I really like this one at the moment, guys. This is the Then I Met You. The texture is it's like butter. It's just absolutely glorious. So again, if your skin is a little bit on the dry side, which it might be if you first start using retinol, that is a gorgeous formula, really brightening, and it will really help speed up that cell turnover as well. So you're gonna be looking gorgeous with glass skin before you know it. So there you go. They are my 4 tips for retinol beginners.